Hi grade sixes, so we're going to be looking at passing bylaws today. Please make sure you have the Google Slides up and ready to go and copy in the boxes as we go through the video. The boxes will be numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, just like they are on the slides. If you need a little bit more time, pause the video, take your time writing it down so you make sure you have exactly the right words and it makes sense. When you get to the last two questions, you'll use the City of Spruce Grove's bylaw links in the classroom, and you will take a look at those and answer those questions. All right, let's get started. So there are 4 steps to passing a bylaw. So the first one you'll write in the first box. So a counselor introduces the idea for a new bylaw and makes a motion for it to be passed. So a motion is an idea or proposal discussed and voted on at a meeting. So the counselor will bring their idea to the council and will share it. The second one is the bylaw is discussed and considered 3 times. So they need to discuss it and talk about the pros and cons before they do anything else. And this needs to happen 3 times so there's a solid understanding of the bylaw and maybe what the problem is as to why the bylaw needs to be implemented and how it can be enforced. So next, the bylaw is voted on. So all the counselors will vote on whether or not to pass this bylaw. If the bylaw is voted yes, then the bylaw is passed and it becomes a law. If it does not pass, then it goes back to be discussed or considered again, and sometimes they'll make changes and sometimes they will just drop it completely. So, bylaws. So what bylaws can you think of that are in our community? So provincial and federal laws don't count. So I've added a link in the classroom and I want you to go explore some of the bylaws that the City of Spruce Grove has. Okay, so some examples are speed limits, dog leash bylaws and dog park bylaws, parking zones, no smoking zones, anti-bullying law, which is in Edmonton, proper waste disposal, and etc. There's lots more, and you'll see that when you go and explore. So this is a link too. I'll put it in the classroom if you want to compare maybe some Edmonton bylaws to Spruce Grove to see what's the same, what's different. Remember that bylaws only apply to the city that they're created in. So Edmonton's bylaws do not apply to Spruce Grove, and Spruce Grove's bylaws don't apply to Edmonton. All right, so please go through those 2 websites and then complete the assignment and submit it.